Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Happily Handmade by Janani. So today I am up with another video on how to make center pull yarn cakes like these. So I have made this without any yarn winder. It looks perfectly like how you made in a yarn winder, and I usually get yarns that come in hanks. In the beginning I used to make balls like these, but it's very hard to work with, so I started making cakes like these so that it's very easy. When we are working, we can pull it from the center and it will continue to come out. So today I am going to teach you how to make yarn cakes like this without a yarn winder. For that you will need yarn and any kind of pencil, pen or any stick. You will usually get yarn in hanks like this. You have to open it and then you have to make it into a center pull ball. If you want to know how to unwind the hank and make it into a yarn cake, do let me know in the comments. I'll make a video. So now let's take the pencil or any kind of stick or pen. So first you have to hold it like this and leave a big tail that will be here, and that should be there until the very end. So first you have to hold this like this, and then you have to start winding like this. You have to wind like this for a small section like this. So now we have completed a small portion. Let's start making the cake. You have to go in an angle like this and turn the stick or pencil, and then again it goes the same in the bottom also. You have to just keep it here. Now as you can see, it's just starting to you will have to do this in a continuous fashion. Don't leave this thread to get attached to it. Just hold it like this and then continue to make. Just turn, rotate a little bit and then put the yarn there. Rotate a little bit and put the yarn there. So this is how you make. You have to continue to make it until all of your yarn is over. It's very easy. Just turn and then wind it on top of that. Just turn and then wind it on top of that. I will show you after I've done a little bit more. So here if you see I have made this much. You have to just keep continuing like this. You have to sit in an upright position and do it. Because I'm showing in the video, it's looking a little bit hard, but if you sit in a comfortable posture and if you do it, it's very easy. So you just have to continue this until all your yarn is completed. I will show you after I'm done. So now I'm going to be almost done. So that's how you have to continue making. So yes, now I have made a very mini center pull ball. So you can just make it like this. So now we've made a mini center pull ball. So this is the end. You can just tuck the end in here somewhere because we are not going to use this. So we could keep it like this. We are going to use this. So to remove this center pull yarn cake from the pencil or any stick, just pull out the stick carefully. Yeah, that's all. So it's all done and you have a mini cute center pull ball that you can stack it anywhere, store it easily and use it very easily for your projects. So this is the center pull yarn. You can continue to pull it and it will keep coming. It's very easy to work with. Do try this center pull yarn winding technique and let me know in the comments if it was useful. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such crochet tutorials. Until I meet you all again in another video, it's bye from me, Janani.